What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Bolt Action Ballistics. Today I'm back out here again with my garage door spring. We have hit this thing with a 30-06, and yeah, if you haven't seen that video, go ahead and check that video out. There'll be a description and a link down below. You can check it out. But today we're going to hit this thing with some different calibers. So I have a 450 Bushmaster 250 grain Deer Season XP and a 223 62 grain Barnes TSX. This is a copper round. So we have a fast, small bullet and a heavy, slower bullet. That's what I want to test out on this spring here today, see what happens. So let's go uprange, grab the gun, and see what happens. Okay, so we got the garage door spring set up downrange. We're going to go ahead and use the 450 Bushmaster first. 250 grain. It's a slower, heavier bullet. Let's see what kind of damage this will do. Okay, here we go. Okay, it looks like we got a good hit. Let's go ahead and hit it with the 223 right away, and then we'll run down and take a look and see what we did. Okay, so here we go with the 223. This is a copper bullet, so it'll probably hold up a little bit better than a lead bullet. I'm not sure, but I believe this is a 62 grain Barnes TSX bullet. This is about 3,000 feet per second at the muzzle. So this will be quite a fast bullet. Small bullet, fast bullet. Let's see what happens. I'm going to aim just below where the 450 Bushmaster hit. I can see it put a good crinkle in the spring, so we'll aim just below that. Okay, I'm not sure if I hit the spring or not. I'm going to go ahead and fling another one. I do have an extra round here. Can't remember if I 100% had this thing sighted in or not. I think the last time I was shooting it, they were shooting quite a bit to the left. Might have to aim a little bit to the right. Well, I think I hit it that time. Let's run down and take a look and see what we did. Okay guys, we got some unbelievable results on this. So the 450 Bushmaster snapped that thing right in half. I mean, it got it good. Check that out. So the heavy, slow bullet snap this thing. And our 223, looks like we got a good dead center hit on that coil right there and just bent it a little bit. So that was a copper bullet. And the 450 Bushmaster was a 250 grain lead core Deer Season XP. Bent my pipe here I had just to hold the spring upright, keep it from falling over. And yeah, we did a number to it. So yeah, if you haven't seen my 30-06 video, go ahead and check that video out as well. We hit it there and there. So yeah, take a better look at what that 450 Bushmaster did. You see it bent that coil in real good and cut it. Pretty awesome. It's crazy to think that the 30-06 didn't do near as much damage. And a 450 Bushmaster, a heavy, slow bullet, snapped that coil, and a fast, small bullet just splattered on impact and barely even bent the coil at all. Well, that's all I have for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. We got more videos on the way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.